Vivekanand Oberoi. Hi, this is Ritesh Deshmukh.
And you're watching us on
Bollywood Hungama
with Faridun.
इस शहर में वो सनसनी होता ना, सनसनी वाला जो आपका जो
एसी चालू करो।
चिल्लाते हुए गुस्से में
एक्शन। हाँ, तो क्या बोल रहे थे आप?
lost his cool, pun intended.
Well, we have with us a team of a movie which is unusually called Bank Chor. आप जो समझ रहे हैं वो नहीं है, ये कुछ और है. So आप बोस डीके वाला माइंड अपना हटाइए and concentrate on Bank Chor. Okay, pause बहुत जरूरी है. Pause, Bank Chor. बहुत जरूरी है. लेकिन क्या आजकल लोग जो है मानते नहीं. First of all, pleasure having you guys on board.
Thank you so much. Always a pleasure.
And Vivek Oberoi. So कुछ आपको ऐसा लगता है कि that you know लोगों की जहनियत होती है, मेंटालिटी होती है कि दैट वो कुछ जो सोचना चाहते हैं वही सोचते हैं. तो कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आप इसके बारे में, रितेश देशमुख, बैंक चोर? मतलब ये
नहीं, क्या है कि एक थोड़ा सा क्वर्क तो है टाइटल में.
राइट.
अगर हम लोग बोले नहीं है यार ऐसा है नहीं तो वो गलत होगा.
बिल्कुल.
एक थोड़ा सा क्वर्क तो है. पर फिल्म अगर बैंक चोरी पे हो और बैंक चोर ही अगर चोरी करने वाला है, तो उतना क्वर्क तो आई थिंक चलता है. बट फिल्म में ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. फिल्म इज एब्सोल्युटली फन, फैमिली एंटरटेनर, and that's what's exciting about it also.
Absolutely, I think Ritesh is absolutely right. I'm just thankful कि पिक्चर में रितेश ने बैंक में चोरी की है और मार्कर चोरी नहीं की है, क्योंकि अगर मार्कर चोरी करता तो टाइटल होता था
ग्रैंड मस्ती पार्ट 4.
मार्कर चोरी करता
नहीं, बिल्कुल समझ रहे. नो, विवेक ओबरॉय,
समझदार को मार्कर काफी.
अभी बंद करते नहीं तो कोई मार्कर
नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं. आप चालू करिए. गर्मी को आप भूल जाइए. आप इमेजिन करिए इस वक्त आप कश्मीर में, श्रीनगर में, आप
क्या बात है,
हम लोग गुलमर्ग की तरफ जा रहे हैं. आप उसको
सिक्योरिटी के साथ या बिना
सिक्योरिटी आप इमेजिन करो, सब कुछ ठीक है कश्मीर में. ओके, तो हम लोग अपने बिल्कुल खुले में जा रहे हैं, एकदम बिल्कुल मजे में. ओके, नाउ आपका नाम भी अमजद खान है पिक्चर के अंदर, और आप बोलते हैं 2 उधर जाओ और 2 उधर जाओ, बाकी मेरे साथ में आओ. वो वाला इसमें कुछ डायलॉग उसके अंदर कहीं ना कहीं कुछ सामने आता है.
नहीं यार, वो तो जस्ट एज रेगुलर पार्ट ऑफ एक ऑपरेशन हो रहा है बैंक के बाहर.
हाँ जी.
और अंदर बैंक चोर घुसाए हैं. कहीं ना कहीं शुरुआत में ऐसा लगता है कि इतना बड़ा सुपर कॉप अमजद खान जो पहले गोली मारता है और बात में करता है.
क्या बात है.
एटीट्यूड इतना स्ट्रांग है उसका, इतना पावरफुल आदमी है.
राइट.
इतनी छोटी सी बैंक की चोरी में क्यों आया?
करेक्ट.
ऑलरेडी
उसके पीछे कुछ और है, उसके पीछे कुछ और है.
लोगों ने ऑलरेडी सारा पुलिस तैनात है, ऑलरेडी इंतजाम हो चुका है. तो इतना बड़ा सीबीआई ऑफिसर, इतना आला अफसर यहाँ क्या कर रहा है? और आई थिंक जो एक कॉमिक फिल्म है, कॉमेडी जो है बैंक चोर, ये उसका एक नया चेहरा खोल के निकल कर आता है जब अमजद खान आ जाता है. देन यू स्टार्ट टू रियलाइज इट्स नॉट जस्ट अ कॉमेडी, इट्स अ थ्रिलर. यू स्टार्ट टू रियलाइज कि अच्छा, इसमें और कुछ भी हो रहा है. इसमें अब कोई और लोग भी इन्वॉल्व हैं, इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट इन्वॉल्व हैं, पॉलिटिशियंस इन्वॉल्व हैं, नेक्सस इन्वॉल्व है. हो क्या रहा है? एक साधारण बैंक चोरी जहाँ पे 3 बम्बलिंग इडियट्स चोरी करने आए हैं, वो इतने बड़े इशू से कैसे रिलेटेड है? अमजद खान यहाँ इनको मदद करने आया है. तो उसमें मज़ा ये आता है कि आपको पता नहीं है कि अमजद खान इनको मारने आया है या इनकी मदद करने आया है. अमजद खान डर्टी कॉप है, इन्वॉल्व है, या ऑनेस्ट कॉप है. एंड दैट्स द ब्यूटी. एवरी 5-10 मिनट्स विद अमजद खान ट्रैक आपको लगता है कि यार एक मिनट, ये तो ऐसे होने वाला था, ऐसे कैसे हो गया? इट कीप्स चेंजिंग, इट कीप्स फ्लिपिंग. दैट्स व्हाट्स एक्साइटिंग अबाउट इट. कीप्स यू गेसिंग ऑल द टाइम ऑन द एज ऑफ योर सीट.
Keeps you guessing all the time. Okay, and have you ever gone out of the way to just bring in so many different forms of promotions for any film, the way you are doing for
Not
this?
really. Imagine.
ये तो अभी लोगों ने देखा नहीं है. आप तो डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प को भी आप इंटरव्यू कर रहे हो. आप
वो अभी तो आया बाहर. लेकिन क्या है,
जैकलिन फर्नांडिस को भी आपने बहुत ही
जी
मजेदार तरीके से आपने उनका भी इंटरव्यू किया है.
जी बिल्कुल.
रणवीर सिंह का,
रणवीर सिंह, सोनम कपूर, अभिषेक बच्चन.
राइट.
तो सब अभी
चैट शोज में
बकवास विद बैंक चोर होगा तो यही सब होने वाला है. तो क्या होता है, आमतौर पे क्या होता है, प्रमोशन जब हम करते हैं, हमने अब तक किया है कि एक टीजर पोस्टर आता है, टीजर ट्रेलर आता है, फिर थिएट्रिकल ट्रेलर आता है, उसके बाद गाने आते हैं, और डायलॉग प्रोमो जो फिल्म रिलीज होती है उसके दौरान फिर हम लोग इंटरव्यूज़ करते हैं, बात करते हैं. लेकिन एक ऐसी क्वर्की फिल्म है जिसके लिए कुछ अलग हटके करना बहुत ज़रूरी था. और आशीष पाटिल और वाई फिल्म्स की पूरी क्रिएटिव टीम को मैं क्रेडिट देता हूँ कि 1 महीने पहले उन्होंने सोचा कि कौन से दिन पर क्या रिलीज़ होगा, कि किस तरह आप जो फिल्म का प्रमोशन चल रहा है उससे तो एंगेज रखे ऑडियंस को, लेकिन क्या अलग कर सकते हैं कि बैंक चोर बाहर जाके क्या क्या चोरी करेगा, पोस्टर चुराएगा, प्रोमो चुराएगा, इंटरव्यू चुराएगा, गाने चुराएगा, हर वो चीज़ जो चुरा सकता है वो चुरा लेता है टू प्रमोट हिज फिल्म. सो दैट वाज अ यूनिक स्ट्रेटजी and we've been part of it. I mean, I remember shooting all this a month and a half ago.
Right. In fact, we've met you earlier for other promotions as well, and there was this question that many times your fans have asked that Bank Chor kab release hogi, because it has been slightly under discussion for quite some time now. So देर है दुरुस्त है, आप कहना चाहोगे?
नहीं, ताजमहल को बनने के लिए 22 साल लगे. 22 हम तो 2 साल में आ गए.
बैंक चोरों को बनने में 2 साल.
तो they say like a good wine takes time to mature.
Okay.
काफी ऐसे लोग हैं जिनको लगता है हमें आगरा भेज देना चाहिए पिक्चर का प्रोमो देख के, प्रमोशन देख के.
इतना ही आग्रह है तो क्यों नहीं.
अच्छा, आगरा. Nice.
Okay, and you guys are also open to being roasted. The promo says that you are a garibon ka singham, and so how important is it to make fun of one's own self?
I think it's important to have a sense of humor. और हम लोग ऐसे फील्ड में जहाँ पर अननेसेसरी बहुत बार या तो हम बहुत सीरियसली लेते हैं अपने आप को, या तो फिर ऐसा प्रोजेक्ट होता है कि हम काफ़ी सीरियसली लेते हैं अपने आप को, तो कहीं पर ब्रेक होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. इसलिए रोस्ट ऐसे नहीं किया गया कि हमारे ही कोई लोग आकर हमें रोस्ट करें. बाकायदा मीडिया के जो फ्रेंड्स हैं जिनके साथ हमने इतने साल इंटरव्यू किया, तो उनको बुलाकर उन्होंने हम दोनों को रोस्ट किया. ये बेचारे साइड में मेरी वजह से थोड़े बार रोस्ट हो गए, लेकिन एक्स्ट्रा रोस्ट हो गए. बट इट्स फन. मुझे लगता है कि इट्स ओके. जब उस सीट पे बैठा था, हॉट सीट, बहुत हॉट थी वो सीट, तो मुझे पता था कि ऐसे कुछ आने वाला है. बट क्रिएटिवली रोस्ट किया, दैट वाज अमेजिंग. आई एंजॉयड इट. इट्स ओके.
None of it was scripted.
Yeah, exactly. It was not staged. It was not staged. Yeah.
और मुझे लगता है कि generally, unless you're talking about something that's
offensive,
sacred to you. Suppose, for example, to me, something I believe in terms of my charity or my social work or my family. These are things that are sacred to you. So those are not open to, this kind of ridicule or joke. But if it's just you, then you should be able to laugh at yourself. You should be able to laugh at your mistakes. You should be able to laugh at your film. You should be able to laugh at your success. You should be able to laugh at everything. Don't take anything seriously. I think that's what life is about. That's what makes you happy.
Okay. Now there is this particular moment in the promo that when Vivek Oberoi does that clap karte hain, that team, this is the plan that we have in mind. I've always told him, we've been talking for many years now, that I think he's a very fine actor. And he still hasn't got his due. That the sort of because what he manages to deliver when he performs, and many a times he's laughing and very chulbula type when you meet him, but when you see him perform, he is in another zone. In a few of his films, he goes into another zone altogether, and it's like really rare to see actors in that zone. क्या कहना चाहोगे आप इसके बारे में, that you've known him for a long time as well? Do you feel that he still hasn't got his due as an actor?
I'll tell you one more thing. Vivek, from his first film, and I remember as an audience, company with Ajay Devgan there and Ram Gopal Verma, the big names, but the buzz and excitement this new actor had created on the sheer strength of his acting capability, his voice, his personality and attitude, of the character that he gave himself to. So from that film itself, you knew that Vivek Oberoi is a good actor. Then he followed up with Satya, the vulnerable, romantic, emotional guy, completely different from this. So that put a stamp that he's a good actor. So on his acting capacity and capability, there would never be a doubt for me or other people who have known him closely or followed his work. When it comes to whether an actor is getting his due or not, I personally feel that there are choices and chances that we take, we leave in our career. Times are different in terms of the things that we are offered and what we do. And it's true for Vivek, it's true for me. It's true for Chota Muh Badi Baat. It's true for actors like Akshay Kumar or Shah Rukh Khan, that I am sure they still work as hard, believing that they have not got the due. And that's what will make you do better. So whatever level you might be, जब आप काम करते हो, act like you have not got it due and you have to give your best.
That's a great attitude.
So that's, and at whatever level, आप newcomer हो, struggler हो, या फिर शाहरुख खान हो, आमिर खान हो, जब नहीं यार मुझे इतना ड्यू नहीं मिला, I have to give my best, and that's what strives you at. So if I look at Vivek, for my lifetime and his lifetime, I'll always believe that he didn't get his due और काम करना चाहिए और अच्छा काम करना चाहिए. And coming to your point, I think Vivek is a fine actor, and fine actor is great. You have to be an intelligent actor, and who is an intelligent actor? Who knows his shortcomings, and who is an actor who knows his shortcomings and is willing to work on it to do it better. And I find that in Vivek, that if at all he thinks, like for example, he's playing a cop, I think he does a fine job. I think because that aggression, that deep baritone, he worked out for this film, that bicep. You see a fit guy, big mustache, and he gave it his all for that character. And when you see my character and Vivek's character, because you've seen us together in a situation, having fun, bumbling, and being at the receiving end. But here you are in Bangchor, where he is like a huge guy. It's like like Bahubali coming in front of this meek guy.
Mahendra Bahubali, that would promote it. Okay, now Vivek Oberoi, since you know Ritesh Deshmukh for quite some time, now he does, like you, he also does social work. He has done some admirable work for water problem in Maharashtra, and he has also done Marathi films. He has supported Marathi films as well. But at many a times he's also associated with sex comedies, and people also associate him in that manner as well. And he's also done like a house full and a lot of successful films which are ensemble cast, and maybe in a way people feel that Vivek हमें पसंद आया, but he just meshes more with when a lot of big actors are around as well.
You mean Ritesh?
हाँ जी?
You mean Ritesh?
Yeah.
Okay, you said Vivek, that's why I was confused.
Maybe मैं आपसे मोहब्बत कुछ बहुत करता हूँ, आपको तो अंदाज़ ही है. So the idea is that at times जो perception होता है, many a time from what a person is and what you perceive the audience at times, or maybe media as well at times, the way they project it as well. Do you feel that there's a lot of fallacy, there's a lot of gap between what a person actually is and how maybe it is perceived at times?
So there are certain people who believe that perception is everything. And there are certain people who live their lives.
Okay.
Two different types. So one person lives maybe for a projection, for a perception. This is how I need to be perceived, this is my image, this is my larger than life persona. And then there are people who just live and they're okay with whatever perceptions is out there. I've known Ritesh for 12, 13, 14 years, ever since the beginning of his career. I know who he is. There's a reason why he's not just a friend, he's family to me. There's a reason why.
Absolutely.
Why I would choose him and Genelia to be family to me. Because there are all those qualities that make him that kind of person. There are so many things about him that are not known, and he's okay with it not being known. There are so many things about him that are out there that are rubbish. But he's okay about that also being there, because it doesn't affect his life. It doesn't change the way he wakes up in the morning, plays with his children, is a good husband, is a good son, is a good actor, is a good human being, is a good friend. That continues. So I think Ritesh lives beyond perception, and I think that's really cool. As far as an actor is concerned, we've also made fun of him during the promotion and release of Grand Masti and Great Grand Masti. We used to call him Daddu, me and Fafu, because we said that he's the father of the sex comedy genre, or the adult comedy genre.
Right.
But here's something interesting. So there's somebody who's successful at it, who's making crores of rupees doing it, who's the top of his game at it, undisputed number one. And here he takes a conscious call, I'm done. And it takes a lot of strength to turn around and say कि अब मुझे और नहीं करना है. It takes a lot of strength. And he's done it for a simple reason that he's decided I want to explore more. I've done it. ठीक है, कर दिया मैंने. Now how do I go beyond this as an actor? That takes a lot of conviction.
Sure.
And that's the same guy who's able to deliver that really eerie and scary performance in
Villain.
Ek Villain. Because the minute I see Ritesh Deshmukh, I laugh. I want to smile. But he makes me believe in Ek Villain that this guy is dangerous. Keep him away from me and my family.
Absolutely, absolutely.
He makes me believe in Lay Bhari that I want to root for him. And I want to say, come on, Mauli. You know, I want to say that. And that is the conviction, the hallmark of a good actor. I think that's what he is.
Great. Okay.
Thank you, man.
After this intense conversation, now, Hanji, so now it is time for us to have some fun, and we'll have a couple of segments. The first one is that how well do you guys know each other? आप लोग बहुत ही पुराने आप लोगों की आपका याराना है. So let's find out. So how well do you know each other, and you can actually win something for that.
Wow, hamper champer and all.
Yeah, so you can win this very cool Bluetooth speaker.
Wow.
Okay, and it's good. I can assure you that it's good.
Bluetooth speaker and all.
All right, so
Go on, Bob.
we'll start with Vivek,
Game on.
with Ritesh Deshmukh, if you allow.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Ladies first.
What is so? How well does Ritesh Deshmukh know Vivek Oberoi?
Okay.
What is Vivek Oberoi's birth date? I can give you options if you want to.
Yeah, of course I know.
7th April, 15th September, 29th June, 3rd September.
7th
I would
April.
help you, but I want to win the Bluetooth speaker.
7th April.
15th September, 29th June, 3rd September.
So what are the last two ones?
Last two is 29th June and 3rd September.
There's one more date in September, right?
15th September.
3rd September.
3rd September.
Oh shit! You got it, man. I was sure you would not.
No, get.
No, he's right.
He's right, no?
You're right. You're right.
You know why, right? मैं देख रहा था अभी तो 2 महीने में इसको विश नहीं किया तो अप्रैल का तो चला गया डिलीट करना पड़ा. फिर मैंने सर सितंबर में क्या है 3 और 15 ऐसे नहीं 15 तो नहीं है 3 का मैंने कुछ नंबर प्लेट देखा था इधर उधर ऐसे 3 ही होगा 3 गाड़ी का नंबर प्लेट है ना कुछ 3 ऐसा कुछ किसी नहीं किधर आई हैव सीन 3.
Okay, so moving on. Which year did Vivek Oberoi's debut film Company release in?
2002.
क्या बात, 2 out of 2. What is the name of the character that he portrayed in the hit film Satya? Should I give you options for that?
Yeah.
Okay, Uday Shinde, Aditya Sehgal, Arvind Chauhan, Meet Mehta.
Aditya Sehgal.
Oh shit, man, he's getting everything right.
3 out of 3.
Oh no, this is getting tough.
How many Filmfare Awards has Vivek Oberoi won so far?
One so far. Filmfare Awards. Yeah, am I getting options?
No, for this I don't.
I can
give you options.
I'll tell you what. First he got supporting and debut. I remember
For
that.
Company.
उसी दिन उस साल उनको दोनों मिले थे. I remember that picture with 2 awards. That those give me options 2.
I'm going to lose this so badly. I'm trying to think. He asked me the same questions.
I'm making it tough for him. I'm
No,
not.
you're not giving me options.
Make it easy for me. Okay, make it
तो
easy.
दो उस वक्त मिले थे
ये पूरा इंजीनियर बंदा है भाई.
I'm trying to go through his career.
See, टक 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 कितना सोचता है यार. मैं तो ये सब करता ही नहीं हूँ. बदमाश है ये.
Very difficult, yeah.
I think you're just giving me Bluetooth speaker.
I think 2 for sure, 2.
2.
Yeah.
That's right. That's right. It's like
Yeah.
4 out.
The third one, right?
Oh God, man, I'm never winning this.
I should make
Really
it
tough for me.
slightly difficult now.
Give me something he can't win, yaar. Give me some chance to win.
Okay. I don't have to win. Because you know, whatever I'm having is
I
like.
don't remember stuff like he remembers. I don't remember names of characters and all that he's played.
Okay, you know, this is.
Champak Chiplunkar,
Uh,
Bank Chor releasing on 16 June.
what is Vivek Oberoi's Twitter handle?
What is Vivek Oberoi's Twitter handle?
Yeah, should I give you options for that? Or I shouldn't give options, right? That is easy as well.
Vivek _ Oberoi और क्या होगा?
Vivek underscore.
हाँ?
So it's 5 out of 5 actually.
ले ले यार, फिगर ले लो. Let's talk
नहीं,
about
you,
the film. Let's not-
forget it. I want to know how well you know me.
You should go for it. You
I
should
know
go for
you,
it.
but I don't know the names of the characters and all you played.
नहीं.
Trouble, हाँ.
Just have faith actually.
I faith in his friendship.
I'll play Kacha Limbu, okay?
नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. नहीं
Little support. Phone a friend. I can call Ritesh. and ask.
50-50 दो उसमें हटा देंगे आप जैसे we'll make it as easy as possible for you. So how well does Vivek Oberoi know Ritesh Deshmukh? Which of the following is not a Ritesh Deshmukh star? Okay, which of the following is not a Ritesh Deshmukh star? Fight Club, Do Not Disturb, Out of Control, Welcome Back. Calculate.
I'm trying to think the way he's thinking. Ritesh wasn't in Welcome Back.
Absolutely right. 1 out of 1. Okay, what is Ritesh Deshmukh's first home production named Marathi film? Okay, I can give you options for that.
I think it's Balak Palak.
Balak Palak.
Well done.
2 out of 2. 2 out of 2.
I'm getting confident now.
Okay, who's the director of his debut Marathi film Le Bhari? Shall I give you
Nishikant
options?
Kamath.
3 out of 3.
अच्छा. Okay, I have a question for you.
This is difficult.
No, you're not allowed.
This-
You will ask a damn tough one.
This is not easy. This is not easy actually.
God.
I think it is not, but maybe it is.
But the debut Marathi film director was easy.
हाँ जी?
Of course.
अरे नहीं, that Nishikant Kamath, everyone knows that.
Come on, man.
अरे बालक पालक.
Who was the director of Balak Palak?
नहीं, you said debut Marathi film production.
Yeah, that was a tough.
That was not
Balak
easy.
Palak.
Yeah, that is correct.
You came for the trial. We've been only talking about Balak Palak.
He doesn't know that.
So, what is the name of the character? What is the name of the character he played?
No.
in
Character
the
questions.
Film?
I never remember characters of my own film.
You
How do I
will.
remember?
Yeah.
You will. I think you will.
हाँ.
What is the name of the character he played in the film Ek Villain?
Oh, yeah.
I can give you options for that.
हाँ,
Give options. चलो. ये तो नहीं आने वाले. ये चार.
I never remember it.
Sid.
Ek villain, I just remember a villain. That's all I remember. I don't
Sid.
remember what Shraddha's character was called. I don't remember what
आप
Siddharth's character was.
सुनिए तो बहुत आसान है.
मोहित सूरी.
कैलकुलेशन करके आप कर सकते हो. सिड, अमर सक्सेना, राकेश माडकर, टेडी.
Okay, give me. I'm not getting this, man.
सिड, अमर सक्सेना,
Sounds so familiar.
राकेश
Okay, you
माडकर,
are giving
टेडी.
me,
50-50.
50-50, yeah.
50-50 कर सकते हैं.
कर रहे हैं.
You know,
50 देता हूँ मैं.
50.
राकेश माडकर and Sid.
राकेश मार्कर.
4 out of 4.
तो ये मेरे को याद है.
हाँ जी.
Hey baby.
हाँ वही है टेडी. मैं बोल रहा हूँ टेडी किसका था?
Okay, now what is Ritesh Deshmukh's birth date? Should I give you options for that?
Yes.
25th
Shut up. You don't need options for that.
I
Slap
was in
you.
December, but I won't still.
How you can't forget this date.
Come on.
15,
I can't
15,
I'm trying
15,
to make it look real.
15 December, 16 December, 17 December and 18 December.
Why do you give me all December dates? You're damn badmash, huh?
Let's go.
I think I remember it to be my dad's birthday, which is 17 December.
He's right.
Right?
He's right. So
Yeah.
it's like 5 out of 5.
Yeah!
Now it is a tie.
One
So
each.
what I suggest is
Hey, what tie?
एक
Don't be
सवाल.
cheap, यार. Bollywood has become such a multi-billion-dollar company. Give us two, यार.
But what is the point of competition अगर हम यहाँ पर
But we both won,
करेंगे?
यार.
ठीक है चलो. क्या
नहीं
क्या
नहीं. The
करना?
idea is whenever there's a tie, we have one tiebreaker round. So एक सवाल ये पूछेंगे आपसे और एक सवाल आप उनसे
आप पूछो.
एकदम
आप
बिल्कुल
पूछो
कोई
नहीं, नहीं, यार,
किसी
ये
तरीके का.
Ritesh बहुत dangerous. एकदम
आप पूछो सवाल, चलो.
घुमा के सवाल मारेगा.
सवाल पूछो.
Impossible.
सवाल
रहने
पूछो.
दो. रहने दो.
नहीं कहा सवाल पूछो.
I don't remember. I don't know what to ask. You ask. You go first.
No, you ask me a question. I'll ask you a question about your own film. Let me see how well you know yourself.
I don't remember all these things.
Okay, you ask.
You ask me a question.
Okay.
You ask.
You ask.
I can't.
Vivek
I'm
Oberoi.
thinking.
Vivek Oberoi is asking Ritesh Deshmukh.
What, I'm asking first?
Yeah.
Why am I
We are
asking
we are
first?
we are the referee.
Good,
We have taken a call. आप पहले सवाल पूछिए इसके बाद फिर Ritesh Deshmukh आपसे सवाल पूछेंगे.
Okay.
किसी
What
ना
am I
किसी-
asking about him? I'm asking him something about him, or I'm asking something about me. I'm
Obviously.
asking something about whom?
Obviously you are asking him something about yourself.
About myself.
Obviously.
I'm asking him
Yeah.
something about myself.
How well does he know you? How well does he know you? So you'll ask about yourself.
During the making of Masti, when we first became friends and we used to chat with each other, what was my mobile number then?
He didn't have a mobile number. PCO से फोन करता था ये. PCO से फोन करता था. इसके पास मोबाइल नहीं था.
Wrong answer.
मुश्किल से पिछले साल नंबर आया इसका.
Wrong answer, baby.
Fine, wrong. Okay, I agree. I lose. But I have to ask a question. During the shoot of Masti, when we first became friends, Spot दादा की मोबाइल नंबर क्या था? जो मैंने उसको दिया था.
I'll tell you. Spot the कौन सा वाला? Because I remember चंदू.
नहीं.
Which one then?
महेश.
Mahesh दादा. अरे Mahesh दादा was not on Masti.
Mahesh
He came on Grand Masti.
नहीं महेश मस्ती I remember.
Don't
अरे
make
Mahesh-
mistakes, Ritesh. Mahesh was not on Masti. Tell me Miss दादा.
Okay, talking rubbish, but I'll give it to him. Age before beauty.
एज में
I am older.
यू नो आई थिंक मेरे ख्याल से सिंस आप लोग एक दूसरे को बहुत अच्छे तरीके से जानते हैं तो आप लोग 50-50 कर लीजिएगा इसका.
नहीं, बिल्कुल.
कभी आप सुनेगा कभी आप सुनिएगा.
Correct.
एंड यू कैन आल्सो
क्या है कि दो लोगों को
इस
जब
तरीके से
एक
तो हम
मोबाइल
निकाल
मिलता
पाते
है तो लग जाती है तशरीफ.
बिकॉज मेरे पास सवाल
कोई
और है
नहीं
बट
क्या है?
दे आर इजी एज वेल कंसीडरिंग दैट इस किस्म का आप लोग
अच्छा
कैलकुलेट
नॉट बैड यार मतलब क्यूब व्यूब टाइप का बड़ा प्यारा सा दिख रहा है वारंटी
It is good.
एक काम करते हैं यू कीप द वारंटी पेपर आई कीप द
ये सोनी का है हट नहीं मेरा तेरे को. तू ये ले.
क्यूब
ओके
अच्छा एक साल की वारंटी अगले साल तू लेके जा.
टेरिबल यार बॉलीवुड हंगामा कम ऑन नीरज यार यू गाइस हैव द बजट रौनक यू शुड सेंड मी वन मोर
नहीं वी कैन सेंड यू लाइक द एंटायर किटी दैट वी हैव सारे
गिव मी अ
माफ
कॉपी ऑफ दिस whoever has this on record आपकी है ना कैमरा
हां जी लेकिन क्या है कि दिस इज यू
I'm
नो
doing saying this
पता चला
क्या है
बैग
कि
में कितनी
इसमें मोहब्बत बढ़ेगी आपकी.
हेलो किटी
मस्ती के टाइम से आपकी जो मोहब्बत डेवलप हुई वो और बढ़ेगी. कभी आप सुनेंगे कभी वो सुनेंगे.
बिल्कुल.
So now we have a rapid fire round. Okay, so we'll start with Vivek Oberoi, if you allow.
Okay, I thought it was a combined rapid fire. Who answers first?
No,
Okay,
this is we will start with with Vivek Oberoi first of all. Vivek Oberoi, what is your favorite? Who's been your favorite co-star till date, except for Ritesh Deshmukh?
favorite co-star till date that's I can't answer that in a rapid fire I mean different people at different stages in my life for different reasons
boring. Boring.
He is already.
which is fine that's okay.
You guys are tired. So the idea of rapid fire is basically that जितना आप अपफ्रंट तरीके से आप बताएंगे तो उतना ज्यादा मतलब उसमें एक वो रहता है एडवांटेज रहता है. That is something that a lot of people have portrayed a cop like you in Bank Joe, like the way you portrayed a cop. Who has been your favorite cop till date in movies, Hindi movies?
Vinod Khanna
Vinod Khanna. Yeah, of course. One recent Bollywood film you wish you were a part of?
does Bahubali count
Yeah, obviously.
Yeah, of course.
Bahubali no this is Bollywood so I was confused
Yeah, it's as good as a. It has done more business in Hindi than
Any other Hindi
South
film,
Indian.
that's what he keeps
No, even
saying.
South Indian languages. Yeah.
Southern?
Yeah.
Telugu is more than Hindi, na?
No, I think it is Hindi is more than Telugu.
तेलुगु है
हमसे जरूर कम करेगा
700 तो है तेलुगु तो ऐसे
ना 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 हिंदी
1200 ऑल इंडिया ना
1200 ऑल इंडिया है बट Hindi is more.
Yeah.
Hindi is 500 and
बाकी divide कर दिया होगा ना
Malayalam, Telugu, Tamil and Kannada. So
कितने?
4 languages.
पंजाब में 50 करोड़ का बिजनेस किया है हिंदी
Yeah. So it is more in Hindi
so
actually.
Bahubali yes
Okay. 3 tips to play a perfect cop.
3 tips to play a perfect cop
हाँ जी.
solid manly mustache always helps
Okay.
add on baritone voice
Okay. That is
bringing some
natural.
command
Okay.
and look fit for a perfect cop
Okay. Whom did you enjoy playing more, Maya in Shura and Lokhandwala or Amjad Khan in Bank Chor?
Maya
Maya. Okay. If you were writing autobiography, what would be the title?
autobiography when I write it I'll think about the title yeah
But still, if anything, what do you think is his autobiography should
don't ask him yeah come up with something
be? What should be?
जो पिक्चर का नाम बैंक चोर रख सकता है वो मेरे टाइटल में उससे लूंगा क्या
No, he is a
Autobiography.
he's an architect.
He's
Take
a-
from that
he-
perspective.
आर्किटेक्चर पर्सपेक्टिव से आई थिंक हिज टाइटल वुड बी अ रूम विद अ व्यू.
रूम विद व्यू
व्यू.
रूम विद व्यू हाँ cool है
A room with a view. Voice over. Yeah, क्या बात है?
व्यू लाइक
क्या बात है?
a
View, bro, boss.
and a view and view.
Okay.
interesting title
Describe Bank Chor in 3 words. If you can describe Bank Chor, how will you describe it?
बैंक चोर 16 जून
Bank Chor, 16 June. Like
all he wants to say.
for बैंक चोर एक साथ करना पड़ेगा आपको, बैंक चोर,
चले यार
बैंक चोर और 16
और I can make 16 क्यों एक साथ
16
बैंक पोस्ट चोर 16
बहुत आप यार, मतलब स्वच्छ हो आप एकदम बिल्कुल।
सोच मारे मैं क्या करूंगा करना पड़ता
ओके नाउ आप रितेश देशमुख को आप देखिए रैपिड फायर में रितेश देशमुख को आप देखिए, सुना रैपिड फायर में रितेश देशमुख। वन फिल्म ऑफ योर्स यू आर प्राउड ऑफ अपार्ट फ्रॉम बैंक चोर?
बालक बालक
पालक
As an actor or as a producer, you asked me.
anything. A lot of people have played chore in Bank B-Town. Who has been your favorite chore?
All the Dhooms. I enjoyed those shows, like right from Amir to Hrithik
Who is
to
England? Amit ji or what?
John. In terms of these chores, Hera Pheri, both the chores are
Super
amazing.
they were, yeah.
Hera Pheri, the first one, Vinod Khanna and Amit ji.
दो पांच
They were not chores, but they were cons.
किडनैप करके ना
Cons.
सर रैपिड फायर
Sorry.
खुद के रैपिड फायर में इतने तेज नहीं थे। दूसरे के इश्यूज में तेजी दिखाने के लिए बहुत शौक है।
What's your favorite food?
What's my favorite food?
हाँ जी।
Right now, margarita pizza.
Okay, if you can say 3 dialogues of your film Bank Chor in Marathi.
In Marathi.
हाँ जी।
देवा 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 वाट लागली पांडुरंगा.
They're all in the film.
और बंधू आणि भगिनींनो, मी आहे तुमचा खुशबूदार झागवाला बैंक चोर GBMLR गणपति बाप्पा मोरया. Let's rock.
3 actors according to you who should also do a Marathi film.
Who should also do a Marathi film?
हाँ जी।
I think Salman Khan, because he's half Maharashtrian, so.
I think he's doing some Marathi film, right? He's
Right
acted
now?
in some Marathi film.
Yeah, he's acted with me only.
Supporting role.
No, he
I
was
think
in
your production only.
Yeah, he did Lab Hari, so I know that he's done
Especially
great and he's going to be part of Shivaji also. So,
Right.
but he should do a full.
Very cool of him to do that.
Yeah, I know.
Very
Great.
cool of him.
Yeah.
Right, right.
Command and support.
That's. I think Ginila should do a Marathi film because she's acted in so many other languages. 5. तो मुझे लगता है Ginila should act.
Okay.
And the third person I think who should act in a Marathi film is Vivek.
I was thinking about
Because he speaks great Marathi.
it. Right.
Not really, but yeah, I love to. In fact, he narrated a subject to me, a story to me that's still not left my mind.
Correct.
Years ago.
Year ago.
And I told him if he ever produces it, I'll act in it. I'd love
Sure.
to do it.
Yeah, I think because he even in terms of body language and everything, I think in terms of Marathi film, I think it can work very nicely.
Thank you.
Okay, 3 tips to be a perfect chore.
3 tips to a perfect chore.
हाँ जी.
शक्ल बदल दो, नाम बदल दो और गायब हो जाओ.
और बैंक चोर देखो और समझ लो क्या नहीं करना है.
जी, और बैंक शो देखो. एक ही टिप है, बैंक शो देखो and you know what not to do.
Okay, one movie of yours that deserves a sequel.
One movie of mine that deserves a sequel.
हाँ जी.
I think Bank Chor right now. I genuinely feel.
Oh, okay.
The way it goes and what happens, I think a sequel would be interesting.
And there's a, what do you say, there's a, at the end of the film there's a hook that can actually generate a beautiful sequel.
I don't know how much of it is a hook, but I just feel
It's there for it to take off.
no, I just feel that how to see these bumbling idiots again in another situation would be interesting.
Right. Okay, what will you rob from the following celebrities except money?
Except money, okay.
Except money. What will you rob from following people? Shah Rukh Khan.
Mannat.
No, but except money. In terms of material के अलावा अगर कुछ करना चाहे.
अच्छा मटेरियल
हाँ, except money. Money मन्नत तुम उस मन्नत
अच्छा
के
वैसे ओके फाइन. अगर मैं मन्नत है तो शाहरुख खान रहेगा. His passion towards cinema. I think he is an extremely passionate guy with whatever. So be it as a production, he wants to make bigger films, commercial films, and as an actor, he challenges himself in like a fan or be it Anand L. Rai's new film. So he tries to push, and that stems from passion, wanting to do bigger things.
and opening out Bollywood all across the world. Yeah.
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
We have 100 territories across the globe which never existed before Shah Rukh Khan.
Absolutely. Okay, Akshay Kumar.
what I would do, his time management
it's really
and his money नहीं है तो I can't ask for banking details, but time management. I think the way he manages time
absolutely
is unbelievable.
amazing. The best part is whether his movies do well or don't well, his schedule remains the
Yeah, I
same.
know, and also how he his clock, like he charges for everything. You know, he knows that he wants to make money. I think he must be charging himself for sleeping also. मैं 8 घंटा सो रहा हूँ तो ये ले एक चेक तेरे लिए. कमाल है नहीं?
Okay, Katrina Kaif.
What did I steal from her? I think a dedication to conquer something that you think is difficult. To do it, to rehearse it, to do it over and over again, that you own it one day. So that's amazing. That's an amazing quality about
Yeah,
her.
absolutely, absolutely.
So say you came today, you thought, oh, she's an okay dancer, but I think she's one of the finest dancers.
Chikni Chameli, she was unbelievable.
And any dance performances. So that confidence and to give it, to do as many rehearsals to be the best, that drive, I think that's amazing.
Great. So, rapid fire with Ritesh Deshmukh was really, really interesting and engaging as well, as was with Vivek Oberoi as well. Okay, now finally, I have one last question for you guys. Now, we were talking about Marathi films. We've seen in the recent times that Marathi films have been doing well. Now, any regional film, I think a very important aspect for that is that the fact that the taxation is very till now it is very relaxed for regional cinema, especially Marathi cinema, Punjabi cinema. But with the GST coming in and it's been put into 28% as of now, it's being said that maybe it will be revised and that way. So what are your thoughts on that? Because regional cinema to it can affect regional cinema in a really, really bad way.
See, I'll tell you, there are two things. One thing about GST is that the moment you start spending money, you're paying that tax. तो जब शुरुआत में जैसे अभी आज एंटरटेनमेंट टैक्स नहीं है रीजनल सिनेमा को, मराठी सिनेमा का रीजनल एंटरटेनमेंट टैक्स नहीं है,
बंगाली, मराठी, पंजाबी.
तो लेकिन अभी क्या होगा कि जीएसटी देना पड़ेगा और टैक्स गवर्नमेंट से फिर रिकवर करना पड़ेगा. सो दे हैव टू फिगर आउट अ सिस्टम वेयर रीजनल सिनेमा हाउ दे गोना हैव दैट सिस्टम के जहाँ पर जीएसटी का जो यूनिफॉर्म टैक्स सबके लिए है वो रीजनल सिनेमा को कैसे इफेक्ट ना करे.
And it will affect the cash flows in a big way.
Absolutely. Because the fact is,
periods are
because the fact is that very few films they do well commercially.
No,
put
also
luxury.
I'm saying GST का क्या इशू है. सपोज आप बिजनेस कर रहे हो, आप बिजनेस कर रहे हो तो आपको पता है कि यार मैं 10 गाड़ियाँ बना रहा हूँ, 10 गाड़ियाँ बेच रहा हूँ, एक सिस्टम में एक फ्लो है, वो कंपनी चल रही है, विच इज़ फाइन. वो एक फ्लो है, सिस्टम है, पेंट बना रहा है. तो अनलेस एंड अनटिल समथिंग रियली गोज रॉन्ग, अदरवाइज द रेगुलर बिजनेस इज ऑन. बट इन फिल्म एवरी डे चर्निंग ऑन न्यू प्रोडक्ट. अब वो प्रोडक्ट लोगों को पसंद आता है कि नहीं पता नहीं आपको.
करेक्ट.
आप एक ऐसी इंडस्ट्री में काम कर रहे हो जहाँ पर सक्सेस रेट 7 से 10% है, यानी 92% फिल्म्स आर नॉट वर्किंग, विच आर लॉस मेकिंग.
करेक्ट.
लॉस पे भी आप जीएसटी भर रहे हो.
लॉस पे आप जीएसटी भर रहे हो, यानी अगर आपने 10 करोड़ की पिक्चर बनाई, आपका जीएसटी है 2 करोड़ 80 लाख, तो 10 करोड़ की पिक्चर होगी 12 करोड़ 80 लाख, ये आपका बजट हो गया. करेक्ट है. अगर 10 करोड़ की पिक्चर में आपका लॉस हो गया और आपने 5 करोड़ कमाए, करेक्ट है, तो आपका 5 करोड़ का लॉस है, ऊपर से जो आपने जीएसटी भरा है एक्स्ट्रा वो ऐड करो 7.5 8, सो तो दिस लॉस इज डबल. और हालांकि अगर आप 10 करोड़ पे 3 करोड़ प्रॉफिट बनाते हो तो 2.8% तो जीएसटी में गया, तो 50 लाख 2.8 करोड़ तो उसमें
20 लाख मिला.
It's a very difficult scenario for entertainment, which is a fluctuating industry. अगर एक प्लेन इंडस्ट्री है जहाँ पता है कि ये बिलिंग है, ये ऑटोमोबाइल है, मेडिसिन है, ये हर दिन चेंज नहीं हो रहा है.
बिल्कुल.
क्योंकि एक प्रोडक्ट सेट है. अगर कोई फार्मास्यूटिकल कंपनी प्रोडक्ट बना रही है तो क्रोसिन है या डाइजीन है या जो भी दवाइयाँ बना वो चल रहा है, वो तो सालों से चल रहा है, आपको पता है ये तो बिकने वाला ही है. अनलेस अनटिल नया प्रोडक्ट, नई दवा आ गई, लोगों तक पहुंची पसंद. लेकिन हम लोग रोज नया चीज लेके आ रहे हैं एवरी डे. ऐसा हमारी इंडस्ट्री की प्रॉब्लम है कि अगर आप लोग सेम बनाओगे तो चलेगा नहीं. So you have to, so every time you're testing a product in the market. So
Absolutely.
that's a risk. And you know 90% time the product fails.
Yeah, absolutely. So yeah,
Correct.
I think GST for the country is very important.
Absolutely.
I think it's going to be a game changer.
Right.
But I think what's gone wrong is that they haven't put enough thought into how the industry works from the inside.
Absolutely.
That's essential. So there's a outer perspective कि ये industry में तो बहुत पैसा है.
Yeah, exactly. You know, that's what people think.
अगर
गाड़ियाँ
हर
हैं
फिल्म
या-
बाहुबली है या दंगल
तो
है,
लगाओ
हर फिल्म
bonus.
तो लगा नो
नहीं बट तो भी जब आप किसी इंडस्ट्री पे टैक्स करते हो सबसे पहले तो आपको देखना है कि जीएसटी ने फिल्म इंडस्ट्री को सिन टैक्स में क्यों रखा है.
हाँ, अल्कोहल
के साथ गैम्बलिंग के साथ क्यों
betting,
रखा है?
gambling के साथ.
What does gambling contribute to the economy? Whereas cinema contributes so much. You're creating soft power. You're creating cultural expression.
Absolutely.
Firstly, I think regional cinema. See, what is India? India is a concept. It's an idea. It's a big idea. It's not just a country with borders.
Absolutely.
It's a big idea, and it's a great idea. Why? Because there are many different languages, many different cultures, many different geographies, all coming together to make one great nation.
Right. Absolutely.
You're punishing those cultures by taxing them. You cannot tax Marathi cinema, Kannada cinema, Telugu cinema. You cannot tax them.
Even Hindi cinema, you know, even
No,
the fact
I'm
that
saying
even
you
Hindi
look at
cinema,
Hindi still as a nationalized.
because Hindi में already
language.
entertainment
Fine.
tax बहुत ज़्यादा था.
But I'm saying that firstly, you cannot tax regional cinema because that is an expression of regional identity in a greater idea like India. That is absolutely wrong. That is what should keep the cultural differences, the beauty of it, the variety of culture alive. And that's what creates this beautiful, embroidery of different cultures coming together in one beautiful piece of work of art like India. And Hindi cinema, I feel, has been a huge ambassador. If you go to America and you ask anybody what are the two things they know about India, the first thing they will tell you is probably Bollywood and yoga.
Absolutely.
These are the two greatest exports out of India.
Absolutely. And
And
even-
this is what
even-
they export out of India that's being such a huge cultural ambassador for you. You can't punish it by giving
No,
it sin
absolutely.
tax.
And many of the Asians and Indians who are living abroad, not merely America, anywhere, UK, Australia,
connected with India, yes.
they make their children learn Hindi language by watching Hindi films or making them listen to Hindi songs.
And also, even with 28% tax, there's no protection.
There's no piracy protection.
Piracy का protection कहाँ है? We are losing 90% of our business to piracy.
Absolutely true.
Today, ticket sales are 2 crores. Tickets, so 3 crores. The highest sale is 3 crore tickets.
Correct.
For a population of 1
130
billion.
crores.
So now your conversion rate is 2-3%. आपको ऐसा
1% बाबा.
नहीं मतलब 3% भी पकड़ लो साउथ की
For
सब
an
पकड़
average
के
film, 1%.
1%. तो आपका ये मानना है कि 99% ऑफ इंडिया पिक्चर ही नहीं देखती. They find other reasons, other sources to watch movies.
And you know, they
You're
should
not
be,
invested in infrastructure.
anyone can watch it in
आज एक इंडस्ट्री बनती है
local trains and anywhere.
आप स्पेशल इकोनॉमिक जोन बनाते हो, आप एक इंडस्ट्रियल पार्क बनाते हो, उनके लिए पूरा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बना के देते हो. हमारा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर क्या है? हमें टैक्स कर रहे हैं पिछले 50 साल से.
Right.
हमारा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर क्या है? Why aren't you building theaters for us? Why aren't you building studios for us? Then you bring in that money now. Where is that money going?
And
entertainment tax.
You know, like a Dangal does 1100 crores in China,
Yeah.
and
No.
they have around 25,000 screens.
No, but think about it. And
Hindi films,
also,
they have 5,000 screens.
no, but think about it.
4,500.
When you're making a
Not just
theater,
Hindi. That's national.
No.
National,
No,
we
no,
have about
national is
7,000.
8,000. 8,000.
5,000 is in India and 5,000 down south. About
3,000 down.
no,
3,000.
5,000.
सब मिला के 8,000 I think मेरे ख्याल से.
Yeah, I don't think
in
we have
totality it is
8,000 screens in
8,000.
India.
Down south is सब मिला के 8,000. It also all
No,
inclusive.
the 2800
There's not
तो
more
तेलुगु में.
8,000 screen. No, that's not true. Because I know
8,000.
I know Tamil. They have only about 760 screens in Tamil Nadu, the whole of Tamil Nadu.
Yeah.
Which is almost what 8-9 crore people.
But Telugu has more than 2,000 screens. We'll figure out. We'll find out.
Telugu is quite a
No,
big market.
see,
There,
my point is-
8 से ज़्यादा नहीं है.
My point is
Because they're not getting new theaters.
no number of theaters an issue. Also, when you look at theaters, right, they're in prime properties. The rentals are high.
Absolutely.
Now, what happens because the rents are high? They say if you want to play a movie, we're going to take 50% of your revenue.
True.
So, as a producer, अगर 100 रुपए टिकट आप दे रहे हो, 3 हफ्ते अगर पिक्चर चलती है, तो प्रोड्यूसर के हाथ में 40 रुपए आता है.
बिल्कुल सही बात.
60 रुपए थिएटर के हाथ में जाता है.
40 रुपए भी नहीं आता है. 30 रुपए टिकट का तो आप टैक्स में भर रहे थे.
नहीं
Entertainment tax जा रहा था. 60 रुपए आता था, 60 रुपए में से आधा लेता था, तो 30 रुपए आपके हाथ में.
नेट में 40 रुपए आता है.
पर हम नेट क्यों गिन रहे हैं? जब टिकट कोई खरीदता है नेट थोड़ी दे रहा है वो. जब
नहीं,
टिकट
वो तो
खरीदता है
ठीक
100
है।
रुपए दे रहा है, 100 रुपए में से 30% टैक्स जाता है, 60 रुपए बचता है, 60 रुपए में से 30 रुपए आपके हाथ में थे, 30 रुपए वो लेता है, 30 रुपए भी आपके हाथ में नहीं आते, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर के हाथ में आते हैं। फिर डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर अपना कट निकालता है, फिर उसके बाद में प्रोड्यूसर को देता है, प्रोड्यूसर इज टेकिंग द रिस्क।
एंड उसके बाद 28% के बाद भी स्टेट्स जो हैं वो अपना टैक्स और भी लगा सकते हैं, वो भी एक क्लॉज है। आफ्टर 28% द स्टेट्स कैन स्टिल हैव देयर ओन फर्दर टैक्सेशन एज वेल, which is there as well. So
No, it needs to be revised.
it is
Relook at it, for sure.
Sure. All right, thank you very much. Lovely talking to you
Thank
guys,
you.
and looking forward to
Thank you.
Bangalore and Oliver.
Thank you, Farid. Thank you so much.
That's all we have from Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.